You don't want to be missing out on anything, do you, Mr. Snuffy? Hey, Mr. Snuff Snuff? I knew I'm going to smell everyone that goes by. See, I got a new saw. Did that other dog pick on you? Did he? Say grumpy because he's got sore ears. Now he's got to go to the doctor's. Is that why he's grumpy? Look at you. What do you say? You look like Mr. What's his name? Droopy. I'm sorry, I didn't say that about you. You look adorable. Leave it. You are so handsome. Who wouldn't love you? Look at you. You are like, oh, thanks, mate. Oh, you want more love or go away, paparazzi? You want some more love? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.